Hey everyone, and welcome! Are you a maintenance manager or a decision maker feeling the pressure of aging equipment, unexpected downtime, and rising costs? You know, the kind of problems that keep you up at night? Well, you're not alone. So, you're considering CMMS, or maybe you've already taken the plunge. That's fantastic. CMMS, and especially a robust solution like MicroMain CMMS, can be a game changer. It helps you streamline maintenance workflows, accurately track asset history, proactively schedule maintenance, reduce unexpected downtime, improve regulatory compliance, and ultimately get a much better grip on those costs. However, as the experts at MicroMain point out, implementing it isn't always a walk in the park. Let's explore why. First up, drawing directly from the insights at MicroMain, is misalignment with your specific organizational needs. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. If the software, even a powerful one like MicroMain CMMS, doesn't quite align with your unique workflows, asset types, and reporting requirements, you're in for trouble. The key, as MicroMain emphasizes, is thorough upfront planning. Involve everyone early on, from the technicians on the ground who will be using the system daily, to the decision makers in the boardroom who need to see the ROI. Understand your exact needs, map out your current processes, identify pain points, and define your desired outcomes before you even begin to evaluate software. This detailed understanding will ensure you choose a CMMS like MicroMain that can be tailored to your specific environment. Next, as highlighted by MicroMain, we have inadequate user training. You can have the most feature-rich CMMS on the market, like MicroMain CMMS with its intuitive interface, but if your team doesn't know how to use it effectively, it's essentially useless. Poorly trained users can lead to inaccurate data entry, underutilization of features, and ultimately, a failed implementation. Comprehensive training is non-negotiable. MicroMain stresses the importance of designing a training program that caters to different user roles and skill levels. This should cover everything from basic data entry to advanced reporting features within MicroMain CMMS. Ongoing training and readily available support resources are also crucial for long-term success and user adoption. Yes, resistance to change. It's human nature, right? As MicroMain notes, some people might be set in their ways, comfortable with existing manual processes and, reluctant to adopt new technology like a CMMS. They might see it as adding more work or even feel a bit intimidated by a new system. Communication is your superpower here. Clearly and consistently explain the benefits of the CMMS, specifically how MicroMain CMMS will make their jobs easier, more efficient, and less prone to errors. Highlight features that directly address their daily challenges, and honestly, involve key team members in the selection and early stages to foster a sense of ownership. Let's talk tech. Sometimes, as MicroMain points out, your existing IT infrastructure might not be fully prepared for a new CMMS, especially if it's a more advanced or cloud-based solution like certain deployment options of MicroMain CMMS. This can lead to compatibility issues, slow performance, and, integration challenges. A thorough assessment of your current IT infrastructure is crucial before implementation. Work closely with your IT department and the MicroMain CMMS implementation team to ensure your systems meet the necessary requirements. This might involve upgrades or adjustments to your network, hardware, or software. Finally, a key challenge identified by MicroMain is poor software integration. A modern CMMS like MicroMain CMMS often needs to interact with other critical business systems, such as accounting software, ERP systems, and IoT sensors. If these integrations are not seamless, you'll end up with data silos, duplicated efforts, and honestly, a lack of a holistic view of your operations. When selecting a CMMS, prioritize one like MicroMain that offers robust and well-documented integration capabilities. Work closely with the MicroMain team to plan and execute these integrations carefully, ensuring data flows smoothly and accurately between systems. So there you have it, the top challenges in implementing maintenance management software, as highlighted by the experts at MicroMain, and more importantly, how to overcome them. Remember, with careful planning, clear communication, comprehensive training, a robust IT infrastructure, seamless integration, and the right CMMS solution, like MicroMain CMMS, you can make your implementation a resounding success, leading to significant improvements in efficiency, cost savings, and asset reliability. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about how MicroMain CMMS can help your organization overcome these challenges and achieve maintenance excellence, visit our website. There's a link in the description for a free demo. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on maintenance management. Thanks for watching.